Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Destiny. Let's start current affairs of 21st of April 2021. First question. With which country India has signed memorandum of cooperation on a basic partnership framework for operation of the specified skilled worker system? Answer is B. Japan. Under this, skilled workers from India who meet the skill requirement and Japanese language test would be eligible for the employment in a Japan on a contractual basis. Capital of Japan is Tokyo. Next, first India European Union Intellectual Property Rights Dialogue 2021 was held virtually between European Union Commission and which department of the Government of India to discuss key intellectual property rights issues affecting the business. Answer is A. Department for Promotion of the Industries and Internal Trade. DPIIT, headquartered in New Delhi, founded in 1995, and secretary of a DPIIT is Guru Prasad Mohapatra. Headquarter of European Union is in Brussels, Belgium. Next. The Bombay Stock Exchange has signed a MOU with which state government to create awareness about the benefits of listing among small and medium scale enterprises of the state. Answer is A. Maharashtra. Bombay Stock Exchange has signed MOU with Maharashtra government. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. CM is Uddhav Thackeray and Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Next, in collaboration with which company the Ministry of the Electronics and Information Technology will establish a quantum computing application lab in a country? Answer is D. Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services and Ministry of the Electronics and Information Technology will establish quantum computing application lab in a country. Here we'll see what is quantum computing. Quantum computing is an emerging field harnessing the laws of the quantum mechanism to build the powerful tools to process information and has a potential to solve the computational problems beyond the reach of the classical computer. Next. The NASSCOM has partnered with which state's artificial intelligence mission to launch an innovation factory to identify and promote innovation artificial intelligence solution to address challenges in the agriculture sector. NASSCOM has partnered with Telangana. Long form of a NASSCOM is a National Association of Software and Services Companies. Headquarter of NASSCOM is in New Delhi, established in 1988. Chairman of the NASSCOM is UB Praveen Rao. Telangana's capital is Hyderabad. CM is C. Chandrasekhar Rao and Governor is Tamilisai Sundararajan. Next. The Ministry of the Road Transport and Highways signed MOU with which organization to boost collaboration in the field of the technical exchange and cooperation on the sustainable geohazard management. Answer is B. DRDO. Ministry of the Road Transport and Highways has partnered with the DRDO. Here DRDO is a Defence Research Development Organization headquartered in New Delhi. Chairman is G. Satish Reddy and founded in 1958. Minister of the Road Transport and Highways is Nitin Gadkari. Next, who is appointed as the acting Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court? Answer is A. Sanjay Yadav. Next, Sumitra Bhave passed away. She was a Marathi filmmaker. Next, co-founder of Adobe and developer of the PDF passed away. Who is he? He is Charles Geschek. Next, cricketer Dilhara Lokkuhettige banned for 8 years under ICC anti-corruption code. He is from which country? Answer is D. Sri Lanka. Next, Ingenuity became first helicopter to take controlled flight on Mars. This is developed by which space agency? Answer is C. NASA. Next, first unit of indigenously built ALH, that is Advanced Light Helicopter Mk3 aircraft INAS 323 commissioned into Indian Navy at which naval base? Answer is INS Hansa in Goa. Here INAS is a Indian Naval Air Squadron. Next, which cyclone of 2020 resulted in USD 14 billion economic losses to India according to World Meteorological Organization? Answer is a B, Cyclone Imphan. WMO president is a Gerhard Adrian. Headquartered is in Geneva, Switzerland. Members are 193. Which country announced INR Indian rupees 8.12 crore grant for Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative? Answer is a D, Australia. Capital of Australia is a Canberra. Currency is Australian dollar and Prime Minister is a Scott Morrison. Who launched a startup seed fund scheme? Answer is the C, Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal launched a startup seed fund. Piyush Goyal is a Minister of the Commerce and Industry, Minister of the Railways, Minister of the Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution. Next, which organization develops supplement oxygen delivery system for the soldiers? Answer is B, DRDO. Next, RBI sets up committee to review working of asset reconstruction companies. This panel will be headed by, answer is a D, Sudarshan Sen. This panel is having 6 members and this panel is headed by Sudarshan Sen. Next, Punjab all set to become Har Ghar Jal state by which year? Answer is A, by 2022 Punjab will become Har Ghar Jal state. Table Mountain Park recently seen in a news is located in which country? Answer is a D, South Africa. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.